well, I hope you enjoyed that. Anyway, hold on. I just sneezed again. I just took my makeup off. I have no eyebrows. Hold on. I sneezed again. You saw it enough. Anyway, someone told me, hold on. I didn't sneeze. Hold on. Do you want to be in it?
A TikTok?
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Why are you making a TikTok?
Because someone asked me to film a makeup tutorial. Should I do it? I look scary. I have no eyebrows.
I was gonna ask if you wanted to watch something.
Sean, this is on TikTok. Stop.
I can play games with you being all upset with me. Over, like,